When is the best time to claim victory? Have you ever watched UFC fights? I'm a huge fan. It's amazing because they often go into the ring and they do like this victory dance and they're claiming their victory before the fight has begun. This is really powerful because we can bring that idea into our own lives. Welcome to Your Love Mystic, Catherine here. Previously taught and studied philosophy at several universities and studied yoga, Ayurveda, and Vedanta for over 2 decades. In today's video, I'm going to share a short morning meditation to get you started on your day, to access the calm and clarity deep within you, as well as a way to declare victory for everything you wish to accomplish in this given day. So, join me. I invite you to come into a comfortable seated position, feeling the sit bones ground into the earth and your spine lengthening up so the crown of your head is pointing toward the sky. As we bring integrity to the spine, we open up our energetic centers so our energy can flow freely through our being. Bringing your awareness to your breath. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you, and we'll take a few deep breaths, bringing ourselves fully into the present moment. With each inhale, lengthening the spine, feeling the crown of the head kiss the sky. With each exhale, feeling yourself sink into the crystalline core of the earth, connecting with our one Mother Earth. Then I invite you to bring your palms together, feeling the solar energy coming through the right arm, the lunar energy coming through the left arm, through the hands, this fusion of the 2 dimensions of our intelligence, our logic, and our love and intuition, as we gently press the palms into the heart center, fusing our wisdom with our heart. Knowing at any point in our day we can return to this position to access our deep heart wisdom. So remain here for one moment, basking in this fusion of ourselves with that love within. From here, allowing to come forward what it is you would like to accomplish in this day. What is your deep heart desire for this day? And then allowing your hands now to rest on your knees, bringing the index finger to the thumb for another powerful hand gesture mudra, where we fuse the individual soul with the universal soul. Gently bringing your awareness to the space between the eyebrows. And this is where we can drop our declaration of victory for this day, of what we want to accomplish, bring our attention to, complete. Declare that within yourself, boosting that declaration with this fusion of your soul with the cosmos. I declare victory for today. I will be victorious today in performing these tasks, in resolving this conflict, in solving this problem. You fill in the blanks. Take another moment to complete this process. And then again, feeling your sit bones ground into the earth, feeling the lengthening of the spine, the crown of the head reaching toward the sky. And imagine a golden white light showering upon you, surrounding your whole entire energetic being, protecting you from all negativity. Like a shield, you are protected. Then, declaring yourself back here fully into the present moment to re-engage with the 3D reality. Taking another breath or two. I am here. I am here. I am here. Bringing your hands back to prayer position. Connecting with the heart. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. When is the best time to claim victory? It's before the battle. So each morning, declare your victory for your day. Yoga is meditation. Meditation is stillness. Stillness is you, deep within the treasure of your being. There is a stillness where you experience the love that you are. You are love. Nourish that in one small way today. Om. Peace.